Greetings friends and welcome back. Today is day 2 of 25 Days of Christmas. For today I created this Sugar Plum Fairy inspired look. I filmed this look yesterday and it was trash. So we started fresh today and I feel much better about it. In my brain I wanted it to be way more avant-garde than it is today. Figured I'd make it a little bit more wearable and not panic. This is wearable for me. I know this is not wearable for everybody, but obviously if there are elements to this tutorial or this look that you like, you can always leave out the things that I added in that were more up to my speed. So if you'd like to find out how I created this look, keep on watching and I'll see you at the end. Hi, welcome to day 2. My makeup table really looks like a bomb went off because of the amount of glitter and palettes and products that are just everywhere as I tried to save this look from yesterday. It was it was horrible. So if you see glitter like all over my face, it's the aftermath of yesterday. So really quick, just to get us started, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes and I'll be right back. For the most part, I'm gonna be using the NYX Ultimate palette, probably the Electric palette, and maybe a little bit of the Life's a Drag palette by Manny MUA. This guy. Say what you will about all the drama, but this palette is bomb, so I can't be mad about it. I'm gonna start with this lavender shade and work that into the crease. Next up, I'm going to be taking this shade right here and focusing that primarily on the inner third of my crease. I'm going to take this hot pink shade right here, start working that into the crease as well. Next, I'm just going to take a pencil brush and the shade Pageant Queen, it's this purple shade right here, and start deepening up that inner third. Now taking a bigger eyeshadow brush, I'm going to dip back into that Pageant Queen shade and start packing that on the outer third of the eye. I'm going to take a little shadow brush and go in with this deeper pink shade right here and work that in the middle of the lid. I'm going back with my blending brush. I'm just going to blend all of that. Alright, I'm just going to cut the inner third of my eye. Next, I'm just going to take a wet shadow brush and use the shade Beat on that inner third. Going back in with that deeper pink shade, I'm just gonna blend out that edge. Alright, now that the lid's pretty much done, I'm gonna go ahead and put my face on and I'll be right back. My face and my brows are done, so we're gonna get back to the eyes. Now, last night I did like a super glittery lower lash line. And I think that I would like to attempt that again. But next I'm going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and just line, put this down, line my waterline. I'm going to take my white NYX liquid liner. If you watched my Halloween tutorial, you saw me do this before, but I'm just going to brush my lower lashes with the white liner. I'm going to take my little Y22 brush in Pageant Queen, which is that darker purple we were using, and slowly work this on the outer third of the eye. Next, I'm going to dip into our hot pink shade in the NYX palette, and I'm going to draw on a lash line, essentially. I'm going to go into that lavender shade that we first used. Alright, I have no idea where that other brush went that I was using before, so I'm just going to switch to a Morphe Y23. It's just another angled brush, and I'm just going to give a little bit more color to that pink, just because once we blended it out, it lost some of its pigmentation. I'm going to take our NYX Milk pencil and just drag that down into the kind of faux lash line that we made there. Alright, so to do this kind of glitter lower lash line situation, I'm going to take my NYX glitter glue and just put some of that on the back of my hand and pray that I don't ruin this look a second time. Think happy thoughts, think happy thoughts, think happy thoughts. I'm going to take a little BH Cosmetics lip brush. To start off, I'm going to work it into that white area that we just drew in. I'm going to pick up some of the NYX glitter and crystal and press it. Now with that same brush, I'm going to take some of this glue and brush it on to my lashes. Then dipping into the glitter again, I'm gonna brush it onto my lashes. Glitter is on. I'm gonna throw some mascara and lashes on my upper lash line, and we'll finish up the rest of the look. Lashes are on. I also just did a little bit of liner just to balance out the fact that I have nothing really, well, I have nothing dark to balance out the lower lash line. I clearly have a lot going on. So to finish up the look, I'm going to use Aisha by Kat Von D. I haven't worn this lipstick in, I don't even know when the last time was that I wore this, and now all of a sudden I'm wearing it. All the time, apparently. Just to kind of finish up this look here, I'm going to take a little smudgy brush. I'm going to take this black shade, and I'm just going to put some of that on the outermost third of my lower lash line. Alright, that concludes the look. If you like what you see or you learned something new, please give it a like, drop a comment down below. If you're interested in seeing what other looks I've come up with for this series, please hit the subscribe button down below. I have 23 more videos coming your way, so please stick around if that's something you're into. Alright, that's all I've got. See you tomorrow. I'm covered in glitter. Oh my god. But obviously that you're... What's happening over here? Who knows? Who cares? My brushes are everywhere. If you're interested in the shade Mauve, hello? Not like real milk.